Hey everyone, if your Docsify sidebar is not working, like it's missing, not clickable, or not updating, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix Docsify sidebar issues in 2026. First, check if your sidebar file exists. Docsify requires a sidebar markdown file called _sidebar.md for navigation to work properly. Next, make sure Load Sidebar is enabled in your configuration. I mean, if this setting is turned off, the sidebar will not appear at all. Restart your Docsify server. Sometimes changes do not apply until you fully restart the local server. Check your sidebar structure carefully. I mean, incorrect formatting or broken links can stop navigation from working properly. Try clearing your browser cache. Old cached files can prevent sidebar updates from showing correctly. Make sure routing is correct. I mean, Docsify uses hash-based navigation, and wrong links can break sidebar functionality. And finally, update or reinstall Docsify CLI if nothing works. Corrupted installation files can also cause sidebar problems. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix Docsify sidebar not working issues. Follow each step carefully and your navigation should work properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone,